Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today is the 22nd of September and for me at least that means it's time for fall makeup. I have this look in mind that I've been seeing all over Instagram, and if I find a picture I will link the creator down below. Hopefully I will succeed in creating it. Without further ado, now let's jump into this video. As you can see, I already have my base on, so I'm just going to start immediately with this makeup look. So to set the concealer, I'm applying the lightest shade from the Colourpop Cute AF palette, which I'm going to be using a lot today, and I'm applying it on my whole eyelid. Then I applied this black eyeliner from Catrice. It's not necessarily to apply the eyeliner before the eyeshadow, I just wanted to get it out of the way. Although it's not the best feeling in the world, I do suggest covering your top waterline with eyeliner as well for a nicer finish. With the darkest shade from the palette, I'm going in close to the inner corner of my eye, applying the eyeshadow in my crease area and stopping almost at the middle. With the same shade, I'm creating like a thick wing from the middle of my eye to the outer portion of my eye. Then I blended the harsh edges with the clean brush. Now I'm going in with this beautiful rusty brown eyeshadow and applying it right where the dark brown has finished. And I know this might not show so much later on, but I feel like it gives a nice transition. And again, I'm blending the colors with the not so much clean brush now again, but this time I'm gradually blending the eyeshadow to my brow bone area. This will give a nice seamless gradient without getting too dark on the brow bone area. Now I'm adding this more orange toned shimmery shade in the center, and to be honest, I thought it was going to give more impact. So I've added a bright orange from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And once again, I lightly blend everything. Now I'm lightly placing the dark shade on my lower lash line, leaving some space in the middle to match with the upper eyelid. I'm also intensifying the dark brown on the upper lid. Since I blended so much, it tends to fade a little bit. Then again, I'm applying the rusty brown in the middle, and I'm going to skip the bright orange this time. And I'm slightly blending the under eye. The last shade I'm using from this palette is this gold shimmer. It's very beautiful gold, but for this look I needed something more intense. So I'm going in with the Metal Shock liquid eyeliner in shade Solar from Essence. This is a very nice product. I've owned it for years and it doesn't go dry or anything like that. The pigment is just amazing. Anyway, as you can see, I'm applying this just in the middle area to really create dimension, and slightly tapping it on with my finger and blending it a little bit, but not too much. I'm going to be adding some glitter glue from Kaima Cosmetics. I like to apply a small bead directly on my eyes and then spread it with a brush where I need it to be. Now time for some fairy dust. These are the chameleon flakes called Heavenly from Kaima Cosmetics, and if you plan to make a purchase from them, I have a discount code for you to get 10% off your bill. You're welcome. Now I'm slightly dipping my brush into the glitters and applied it right where I had the gold liquid eyeshadow, and then I kept tapping it on to kind of seal the flakes on my eye. Once they are sealed, they will not move. Then I'm brushing the excess glitter from my eyebrows. I'm applying some liquid eyeliner, giving it a slight cat eye look by extending the inner corner of my eye. I didn't want to make a dramatic eyeliner since I don't have much of a lid space and I don't wish to hide all my eye work. I added some of the gold eyeshadow over here, which adds a nice detail in my opinion. To finish my eyes, I'm adding some false eyelashes. These are from Deneja Beauty called Goddess. And I'm applying some mascara. This is the Glamour Doll Curl and Volume Mascara from Catrice. I like to apply mascara after false eyelashes as it helps the natural eyelashes stick to the false ones. Now that my eyes are finished, I'm going to contour. This is my all-time favorite product for contour. I like the consistency, the color, the blendability. It's a stick foundation from Max Factor in shade Cool Copper. I used to go directly with the stick until I saw Painted by Spencer applying it with a brush, and it made total sense to try it, and it really does make a huge difference. Anyway, I applied this on my cheekbones, around my forehead, focusing more product on my temples and trying to snatch that double chin, also known my jawline. Next, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics contour palette to further define my cheekbones just a tad bit more to add dimension. With a flat brush, I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm trying to mimic the nose contour from the famous face filters that we use on Instagram stories. I usually don't care so much for my nose looking big. It's what it is, but it's nice to play and experiment with makeup, right? Anyway, I'm just going to let you watch the process because I think you will understand better than me trying to talk it through. I also contoured under my lip to create like a shadow which makes my lip look slightly bigger. Now I'm going in with the highlight. This is from Makeup Revolution called 4K Highlight Palette. And as usual, I'm going in with a damp beauty sponge and lightly go on the areas that I wish to highlight. Next is the blusher, and this one is the blush box from Catrice in shade Burgundy, and I am applying it with a fluffy brush. I like to give a quick brush on my forehead and chin with whatever is left on the brush. Today I'm lining my lips with the W7 lip twister, and I have no idea what shade this is, but it might be called Nude. I then decided to fill my lips with the lip liner also. I had this lipstick palette from BH Cosmetics and I haven't reached for it in a while because I mostly used it on clients as I can mix shades more easily. Anyway, I used these two shades and I applied them with my finger as I just wanted a little tint, and I already had the lip liner as a base.
So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I'm really in love with the final look. I like this eye color, I like the shimmer. I also like how this lip turned out. It's been a while since I've use those kind of shades, and I'm loving the whole look. I even trimmed my hair a little bit today, and because they were like about this long, I'm not really sure if I should let my fringe get longer or keep this look. I feel like for the winter it's more comfortable because it does not stick to my forehead. And yeah, so anyway, enough about the hair. But do let me know in the comments below if you like this hair look on me, or if you think I should let it grow. If you're not yet subscribed, please do, and also hit the bell so you know every time I upload something. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you don't, leave a thumbs down. Either way, I would like to know what you think of my makeup looks. So any feedback is great. Just, you know, be kind in your words, but do let me know what you think. So that's it guys for today. See you in the next one. Bye!